Let's do a quick video on problem 7 from your module 3 exercises under thermodynamic processes, page 37. So this one's interesting. This is just asking you to write the equations used to find the work of compression. The work of compression in an open system and in a closed system. So you've done both of these problems already. You may not realize it. So let's talk through, what this is really asking. The equations used to find the work of compression. So work of compression in an open system. Well, an open system means that there is flow, means that the work of compression, I'm applying a pressure, I'm applying some motive force, some flow energy to a thing, and what goes into the system goes out of the system. So it's an open system. There's flow. This is, you'll recognize the work of an open system is simply your change in enthalpy. Okay? So work equals your change in enthalpy. Work, which is another way of saying enthalpy 2 minus enthalpy 1. And that just, however you want to write that, that leaves you generally a negative number like through a turbine, or a positive number for a pump, right? Work done on a system or work done by a system. So this is where you find the work done by a turbine, for example. And enthalpy, if you recall from last module, I put that short little blurb, that extra page about enthalpy. Enthalpy is equal to, make sure I get this right, internal energy, plus flow energy. Internal energy plus pressure and specific volume. That's what enthalpy is. So that means that enthalpy, the change in enthalpy, is the whole reason you can use it in an open system is because of the flow energy, or the reason the flow energy matters is because it's an open system. I think that's a better way of saying that. Which means for a closed system, that flow energy doesn't matter. For a closed system, your work, all you're left with is your internal energy. Work is your change in internal energy, or U. So work is equal to U2 minus U1. So there's your answers to number 7. And you can better see it when you write out the equation for enthalpy. Enthalpy is internal energy plus flow energy, pressure, specific volume. And when you realize that for a closed system there is no flow energy, all you have is internal energy. So instead of using the enthalpy, you're using the internal energy. And that was real short.